Hello everyone, welcome back. In our last video, I have already discussed about how to insert tables, how to insert pictures, how to insert shapes in your Word document. So basically today we will learn about how to insert text box and how to insert word art in your Word document. So I told you whenever you need to insert anything, what you need to do, you simply need to click on insert tab. So I'm just clicking on insert tab. After clicking on insert tab, what you need to do over here, you will find text box option also, and you will find this word art also option also. So just click here, and then simply what you need to do, select this draw text box option. Just click here, and then you can simply draw any text box wherever you want to draw, and whatever you want to type you can type. So this way we can insert text box in our document. So these are certain options which you can apply. Align text, we have already discussed. You want your text to be aligned on the top or on the bottom, you can just see the difference, or in the middle. So this way you can simply do all these things with the help of this align text option. Next is your text direction. As soon as you will click on text direction, this is horizontal direction, this is text all 90-degree. You can see this way your text will come. So as soon as you will select any direction from here, the text automatically will come in that direction. So you can simply apply all these things over here. Now next thing is word art. Again, what you need to do, you simply need to click on insert tab, and then from here this word art option is there. Just select here, and you can select any style from here. And after that, so I'm just selecting, let's say, blue or this one. So whatever I will type now, that text will come in that manner. So basically word art is used for writing stylish headings and other things. So this way you can use word art, and you want to use text box in your document, then you can do it. Till then, take care of yourself, just practice it, and God bless you all.